Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Alstroemeria is a very popular plant that lasts well in a vase even if it's been picked as a swelling bud. They are available in a wide range of striking colors and all have an attractive dark stripe on some of the petals. The popular Alstroemeria Inticancha series is a compact Inca lily with an abundance of flowers that can be planted in both containers and beds. They can tolerate heat and cold and need full sun. These grow to about 30 by 30 centimeters and are available in numerous colors. Their blooms make great cut flowers and they last a long time in a vase. Even more impressive are the features these dwarf Alstroemerias bring to the garden. The summer series is the tallest and most vigorous garden perennial in the Alstroemeria group. They have beautiful long stems and the summer series is ideal to pick flowers almost all year round. Alstroemeria Indian summer has a dark foliage with stunning orange and yellow flowers. It is extremely tough and will even take severe frost. It is an evergreen perennial and grows in full sun. River Valley is a unique addition to the Alstroemeria range and is only available from AT Nursery stockists. It has variegated leaves and beautiful, bright, large dark rose flowers. The plant is fairly compact and has a maximum size of about 30 by 30 centimeters. The growing habits make River Valley very suitable as a ground cover, and these flower continuously from spring until autumn. Alstroemeria should be planted where they receive full sun or light shade, such as morning sun and afternoon shade. And the soil should be loamy and rich with compost. They need to be watered regularly and prefer cool, well-drained soil. Add a layer of organic mulch such as compost. Fertilizing and pruning can be done during the growing season, and they should be fed monthly with a water-soluble potassium-enriched fertilizer. Remove spent flowers by plucking the flower stems firmly where it emerges from the bulb. This encourages new greenery and flowers. During late autumn, when the plants start to look untidy, trim them back and replace the mulch before winter arrives. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need to know is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.